Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's your boy Professor Crypto. Got another hot crypto class for you guys today. This one's on fire. You guys already know anything we bring on the channel, it's got that heat, got the potential, and it definitely should be watched. This one is so different, guys, so without further ado, let's jump right into it. Class is now in session. Eureka! This one is called Plotx. Guys, Plotx is a cross-chain prediction market protocol built by the ex-CTO of Nexus Mutual. Plotx enables crypto asset predictions like what will the price of BTC USDT be in the next hour. They're dubbed as the Uniswap of market predictions, guys. Plotx uses an automated market making algorithm to settle markets and distribute rewards without counterparty risk. This project has some serious clout going on. Mr. Vitalik Buterin, obviously the creator of Ethereum, did a tweet based on Plotx, guys, about the huge potential of prediction markets for non-politics based markets, which is what Plotx is doing. What Vitalik said: some reflections on my experiences participating in the prediction markets in this last election and the nature and limits of rationality, market efficiency, arbitrage, and mechanism design. And he links prediction markets, tales from the election. That's where Plotx is, guys. This was tweeted on February 18th, 2021. They say participate in high yield prediction markets. They have automated market making. New markets are created algorithmically, ensuring preferably fair and decentralized market creation, guys. There's a quick turnaround for 4 hours, 1 day, and 1 week markets, so you don't have to lock your funds in for too long. They have focused crypto markets. Built with love for crypto traders, guys, Plotx is focused only on the prediction of crypto asset prices. Instant rewards. Built on the Ethereum blockchain, instant reward settlements on chain without any intermediaries. Automated calculations. A unique algorithm calculates the prediction odds on chain for each market. Liquidity mining, instantly claimable rewards for liquidity providers. Now, in terms of the Plot token, guys, this is a non-refundable functional utility token, which will be used as the medium of exchange between participants on the Plotx prediction market protocol. They are available on Uniswap, guys, QuickSwap, AscendX, and MetaMask. For staking, they are on Uniswap, QuickSwap, AscendX, and Unifarm. Here is their Telegram group, guys, with over 11,800 members in there. Admins are very friendly and can help you out with any questions you may have, guys. I would strongly suggest going in there and joining the group if Plotx is something that you have your eyes on, especially if you're looking to do some more due diligence as well, guys. Their admins are very friendly and can help you out with that information that you are seeking. This is their Twitter page, guys, with over 22,500 followers. They tweet fairly often, guys, and are doing very well so far. Their last tweet was about 3 hours ago, guys, just showing how active they actually are within the community. This is their Discord group, guys, where they have over 2,300 members in there. Again, guys, similar to Telegram, their admins are very friendly, can answer questions. A lot of their community members can also help you out with this sort of information that you may be requesting. They're partnered with a lot of big names in the industry, guys, like Chainlink, Polygon, GovBlocks, and Magic. I want to explain to you guys before we go any further as to why Plotx will become a multi-billion-dollar project. Predictions markets have long been touted as one of the key use cases of public blockchains by none other than Vitalik Buterin, the co-founder of Ethereum. I just showed you guys a tweet by him. The predictive analytics and crypto derivatives in the $1.3 trillion market and touted the grow exponentially in the next few years. Plotx is in the sweet spot of using prediction markets for analytics and also providing scalable crypto derivatives on L2 solutions. Plotx has done what others have failed to do: make prediction markets fun and easy to use. A glance at their user feedback says it all, guys. I'm addicted. It's one of the more common ones. Team is experienced and extremely agile. They build the tech behind Nexus Mutual, which has a TVL of more than 400 million. They have been together since 2017, guys, and also built GovBlocks, a decentralized autonomous organization governance framework that is used to govern the DAOs of both Nexus Mutual as well as Plotx. They explain that after months of research and development efforts, guys, Plotx version 2 is now being launched on Polygon, an Ethereum L2 solution for scalability. Some of the brief highlights, guys: gasless transactions that abstract gas-free payments. For instance, Plotx v2 offers meta transactions. This means that once a user's Web3 wallet is connected to Plotx, the user doesn't need to separately pay for gas fees for any transactions. This is a massive UX improvement that takes Plotx a step closer to mass adoption. They have no RPC changes on the MetaMask. Thanks to the integration of Magic Link Web3 wallet, the user doesn't need to keep flipping between Ethereum and Polygon network for day-to-day usage of the protocol. Their new UX. After tons of feedback from the version 1 users, guys, a new UX has been designed to further improve the usability of the protocol. The UX focuses on simplifying the DeFi experience for a commoner to bring it as close as possible to a mainstream application experience. The new UX is also blazing fast in comparison to version 1. Smooth bridging of assets between L1 and L2. One of the biggest challenges when moving an L2 solution like Polygon is the bridging of tokens from L2 to L1, or the other way around, guys. Plotx version 2 has built-in capabilities for smooth token bridging to and fro from L1 and L2. Mandatory liquidity in all markets via market creators. Another big problem of version 1, guys, was around the bootstrapping of liquidity in each market. This has been solved by mandating liquidity via market creators in version 2. This means that markets on version 2 will always have bootstrap liquidity. The incentives for the market creators have been accordingly adjusted and shall continue to evolve as they test version 2 in real-life scenarios. Now, guys, moving on to their token insights. Well, we are also going to go over their tokenomics, but just for a little bit of a background, let's go over some of their key updates. Plotx version 1, a decentralized non-custodial prediction market protocol, was launched on the Ethereum network on the 13th of October 2020. As I mentioned, guys, they're working on version 2 that's going to be available for us real soon. The project's CEO, Ish Goel, is the ex-CTO of Nexus Mutual for 2.5 years, one of the most influential DeFi projects out there, and has more than 300 million TVL. Ish served as the lead engineer during his time at Nexus Mutual. The Plotx version 1 saw an influx of users with the glowing TVL of up to 220,000 in about 2 months of its launch in October 2020. After months of research and development efforts, guys, Plotx version 2 is now being launched on Polygon, an Ethereum L2 solution for scalability. The next big milestones after the Polygon launch are to extend support for Binance Smart Chain, Polkadot Optimistic ZK rollups. The project has been featured in top publications like CoinDesk, Nasdaq, Crypto Daily, and covered by Box Mining as well. Their super low market cap of 15 million compared to the competitors averaging 100 million. The true potential of their project is to yet be achieved. Some of their key metrics, guys: the token ticker is the Plot token. Token type, it's running on the ERC20 blockchain. Total token supply, guys, 200 million Plot tokens. The initial market cap at TGE was 600,000. Their supply release at TGE was 6%. Their seed, they allocated 9.5%, guys. Early supporters, 7.5%. Private sale, 20%. Community offering, 2.5%. Ecosystem, 22.5%. Team, 15%. Advisors, 3%. Reserves, 20%, guys. This is their official tokenomic sheet, guys, which is public for version 1. As I mentioned, guys, all of our token allocation percentages are above here, like I showed you in the pie graph on the previous page. As for the numbers of that, 19 million for the seed, 15 million for supporters, 40 million for the private sale, 5 million for the community offering, 45 million for the ecosystem, 30 million for the team, and 6 million for the advisors. Token price, guys, at the seed was 0.015. Early supporters was 0.03, private sales 0.05, community offering 0.05. We see the amounts of cash that they raised as well, guys. 285,000 in the seed, 450,000 in the early supporters, 2 million for the private sale, and 250,000 for the community offering. Moving on, guys, I want to show you this article on cryptoninjas.net, in which they outline the Polygon in the version 2 launch for the cross-chain capabilities. Article goes on to explain a little bit of background information on version 1 and what we can expect in terms of the developments for version 2. Now, guys, examining the actual features, they're introducing gasless transactions. Version 2 offers meta transactions, which means once a user's Web3 wallet is connected to Plotx, the user doesn't need to pay the gas fee for predictions. The Plotx version 2 smart contracts abstract the gas fee from the user and instead makes gas a part of the prediction fee. This makes the US massively simplified, especially if you're using the Magic Link Web3 wallet. Cross-chain swaps between L1 and L2. Plotx version 2 has inbuilt capabilities for smooth token bridging to and fro between L1 and L2, powered by Polygon's Matic POS bridge and cross-chain swap technology of Connex. Users can now move their Plot tokens to and from seamlessly between Ethereum and Polygon, and very soon between other chains, all from within the Plotx version 2 app. Guaranteed liquidity in prediction markets. What happens if no one else makes a prediction in the market? This was a commonly asked question on Plotx version 1 for a good reason. On Plotx version 1, if you participated in a prediction market and no one else participated in the market after you, then even if your prediction was correct, you'd get no rewards out of the market. To solve this problem of bootstrapping liquidity, Plotx version 2 provides guaranteed liquidity on all options of a prediction market by way of mandating initial liquidity from the market creators. The incentives for the market creators from doing this have now been adjusted and shall continue to evolve as tests are conducted on V2 in real-life scenarios. Simplified and blazing fast UX. The new UX is designed from the ground up with constant community feedback. It focuses on simplifying the DeFi experience for a regular user and bringing it as close to mainstream app experience as possible, while still retaining the DeFi ethos of being non-custodial and permissionless. V2 is also much faster in comparison to V1 thanks to partnering with the team at Graph Protocol. They have easier Web3 connections as well, guys, and ROI predictability. Make sure you read up all about that, guys, as V2 is going to be revolutionary. In conclusion, guys, the CEO of Plotx is the ex-CTO of Nexus Mutual for 2.5 years, which is one of the most important DeFi projects out there and has more than 400 million TVL. Active development on GitHub since 2020, guys. This team at Plotx ships solid code consistently. Plotx version 1 has been live on the Ethereum mainnet since October 2020, guys, with more than 3,500 predictions by users. The mainnet launch on Polygon is coming up in the early May of 2021, which we have the date, guys. Mainnet launch on Binance Smart Chain, Hiko Chain planned for May 2021 as well, guys. The L2 version of the project promises to be a game changer, gasless, non-custodial, blazing fast, fiat on ramps. Their super low market cap at 15 million as compared to the competitors averaging at 100 million, especially due to the potential of the project and the team. An announcing pipeline. They're looking at being launched on PancakeSwap as well, guys. Look out for that. Plotx is a massively undervalued prediction market when compared to others. They're already live with version 1, guys, and coming out with version 2 mainnet very soon, while Polka Market doesn't even have a live product. Plotx is getting launched on L2, while Augur and Genosis are still only on the Ethereum blockchain. Shout out to all my students. I love you.
Group hug.
Shout out to the Crypto Class Gang. Shout out to the Lambo Gang. Shout out to the Well Gang. Shout out to the Hodl Gang. Thank you for always your continued support, guys. I really appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash that like button for me. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Please remember, guys, we are an impartial channel, so whether your opinion is negative or positive, we'd be more than happy to hear it. That being said, guys, class is now dismissed. We'll see you in our next video. Professor Crypto out.